Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.com. In today's video, I'm reviewing the HGG Performance Nordic Bar. This is a rack-mounted bar, so it's not going to take up a lot of space, but you're going to be able to knock out some Nordic curls so you can build some bulletproof hamstrings. Let me show you the product up close so you can see it. Each one of these pads here is about 7 inches in length. From the side, it's about 3/8 of an inch in thickness. It's made of a neoprene-like material, very smooth texture on the top here, and it's very well compacted on there, and it feels comfortable on the back of the heel. The padding itself is very well put on the metal here. If I try to pull this off, or if I just shake it up and down, it's not going to move at all. It's very tight around the metal there. Now the metal itself, it feels very heavy duty metal, which I like. It's not cheaply made. And then right there you have the HGG branding with their mustache. Now on this end over here you have 2 heavy duty bolts, and you see that the knobs on the bolts are mustaches as well. In typical HGG Performance fashion, they use the mustaches whenever they can, just to continue the branding. I love it. Now at the end of each one of these bolts, you can see that we have 2 different pads here. These pads are going to clamp down or sandwich down your rack post. And then on this end over here, on the opposite end of the bolts, then you have a sleeve that's textured, and it's an anti-slipping texture so that your post is very well sandwiched in between these two, the clamp itself and then this anti-slip material, and it provides a lot of stability. I'm going to show you in a second here what I did to test this out. So that's the product itself. There it is right there from different angles. And now I'm going to show you how to set this up. So let me show you how to set up the Nordic bar to your post. So this is a very simple setup. Let me show you the bar first. So we have the 2 bolts here. If you notice, the 2 bolts are not perfectly lined up to each other, and there's a reason for that. Because this is going to allow these 2 clamps here to cover a bigger surface area, making this more stable once you put it on the post. So to put it on the post, you just wrap it around the post, and then you start turning the knobs or the bolts clockwise until you get to a point where it feels very tight on there. And I was really surprised at how stable this is, because this doesn't have anything going through the post, just like a J-cup does. A J-cup, you have a pin that goes through the holes, and it makes it very stable. And of course, with a Nordic curl, you're not going to have the same type of force going downwards. The force is more horizontally, so it doesn't have to be very stable, but I still wanted to test it out. So what I did is I clamped it down to my post, and I stepped on it, and I started bouncing up and down just to test the stability, and I was really surprised that it didn't move at all. So as far as stability goes, it's very stable. Let's talk about the pros and cons. I'm going to start with the pros. Number 1 pro for me is that this is rack mounted, so it's not going to take up a lot of space when you compare this to a bigger Nordic bench that takes up a lot more room. So once you're done working out, you can either leave it on your rack, or you can take it off and throw it in a corner, and it's out of the way. Another thing I like about this is that it's very universal. This will fit anything that's 3.5 inches or less. So whether your rack is a 3x3 rack like the one I have here, 2x3 or 2x2, then you shouldn't have a problem using this. Now I also like that the foam pads here feel very comfortable on the back of the heel, which is a very sensitive area for most people. And another thing I like about this is that because it is rack mounted, because you can put it on a post, then you also have the ability to use a band on that same post so that you can scale your Nordic curl. So if you're a beginner, you can wrap a resistance band around your chest, and that way you have a spot on the way down, and as you get stronger, then you can decrease the resistance of the band, or ultimately you want to get to a point where you remove it. But this, because this is rack mounted, it allows you to have a spotter connected to that same post. Now let's talk about the cons. The only con that I see with this, and it's nothing to do with the build of the product, because it's a premium quality product, but for that reason it's not a cheap product. But HGG Performance definitely delivers on what you pay for, so you're getting what you're paying for. So that's my review on the HGG Performance Nordic Bar. It's a quality piece of equipment made with quality materials. Again, each one of these pads here is about 7 inches in length, 3/8 of an inch in thickness. Texture is very soft here, very neoprene-like material. Then on this end over here, you have 2 heavy-duty bolts with rubber clamps that are going to clamp onto your post, and then on the inside here, on this side, you're going to have the anti-slip sleeve that they stuck on there, and on this side here you have the HGG branding. If you want to learn more about it, I'll leave a link below this video. That link is shredded.com/HGG Nordic. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll also leave a coupon code down there. That coupon code is shredded. That's going to give you a 10% discount. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. For more home gym equipment reviews, ideas, and discounts, don't forget to visit my website, shrededdad.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.